Welcome to this video on K3 Fashion. We will show you how the solution offers integrated product lifecycle management capabilities to manage the typical business process in your fashion company. Fashion business is typically organized in collections and seasons. New styles are brought to market on a regular basis. Each collection and style goes through a product lifecycle, from first concept of the design to finally selling it to consumers in stores and on the web. Such a product lifecycle contains a large number of activities that need to be carried out timely to make sure the styles are in store at the right moment. The length of the product lifecycle depends on the number of seasons the fashion brands work with. Traditionally, brands have a spring-summer and an autumn-winter collection. Nowadays, however, it is not unusual to bring new collections to market on a monthly basis or even faster. K3 Fashion comes with fully integrated PLM plans that enable to manage the product life cycles of these regular and many styles. Templates can be used to define the typical product life cycle only once and apply this to each new style again and again. If a company structurally has several typical product life cycles, for example per product category, sourcing method and/or country of origin, as many templates can be defined. We are now looking at an example of a PLM plan in K3 Fashion. This example is specifically for one style, the flower crop top with product ID 330501. In the lines of the plan, we can see that it can be structured in three levels: phases, within that groups of activities, and within that the individual activities. Each activity has a planned duration, which add up to a duration per group and per phase. Each activity also has a responsible department or person attached to it. It's a matter of setup whether you want to work with individuals as responsible or departments. It is possible to set up additional information on the lines and activities of the plans. For instance, we can attach documents, files, links, whatever, indicated by this little clip that we have an attachment. We click attachments here, we see that on this line of the plan a simple drawing has been attached as an example. We leave that again and return to the plan. On line 8 we can see another additional information, which is actions. And if we click actions, we can see that two actions have been defined. The first one is an email alert. We can set up the system in such a way that people who do not carry out an activity for which they are responsible on time get an email alert telling them that they still should do that. We can also arrange that the system automatically changes the status of the product for which this plan is defined. Product status is something which is explained further in a separate video on product data management. Here I only want to explain that the automatic change, for example, would mean that if the last line of a phase or a group of activities has been completed, the system will automatically change the product status of the attached product to that belonging to the next phase. The person responsible can start and finish an activity manually by selecting it and clicking the Start Activity or Finish Activity option. Activities can also be started automatically, triggered by events in other areas of the solution. For example, when the purchase order for salesman samples has been placed, this could automatically set the according activity in the plan to finished. Regardless whether activities are handled manually or automatically, this can be done for each product individually or for multiple products, for example for all men's t-shirts of the summer 2020 collection at the same time. When finishing the last activity of a phase in the PLM plan, the status of the product can be moved to the next stage automatically as shown by the defined action. For a better insight in the progression in PLM plans, we can visualize them through a Gantt chart. In the Gantt chart, you can drag and drop the bars to change the planning. The underlying activities will be changed accordingly. Thank you for watching this video on product lifecycle management in K3 Fashion. We hope you liked it. For more information on the rich functionality our solution offers for your fashion company, watch our other videos.